Hey everyone, welcome back to Well Up Health. Today, we're diving into a super exciting and health-boosting topic, the plant-based diet. Not only will it leave you feeling energized, but it can also improve your heart health, help with weight management, and even boost your mental clarity. If you're looking for a way to reduce stress, improve your health, and start feeling your best today, you're in the right place. A plant-based diet simply focuses on eating foods primarily from plants, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. It's not about being fully vegan, it's about choosing plant-based foods as a way to optimize your health. Research shows that a plant-based diet can lower the risk of heart disease and diabetes and even improve brain function. If you're looking to boost your health, a plant-based diet is a fantastic choice. Some of its benefits include 1. Heart health. This diet can help lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol, which is great for your heart. 2. Weight loss and maintenance. Plant-based foods are typically low in calories and high in fiber, keeping you full without worrying about gaining weight. 3. Digestive health. A plant-based diet helps promote a healthy gut thanks to the high fiber content in fruits, vegetables, and grains. So, if you're just starting out with a plant-based diet, you'll need to find some alternatives to animal products. Don't worry, everything has a plant-based substitute. For example, protein. Beans, quinoa, tempeh, and tofu are all fantastic sources of protein that you can easily add to your meals. Milk. You can swap cow's milk for plant-based options like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk. They're not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Meat. Try plant-based meat products like Beyond Meat or Impossible Foods. They taste just like real meat, but they're made entirely from plants. Wondering how to incorporate a plant-based diet into your everyday life? Here's a 7-day meal plan to help you get started. Check it out. Day 1, oatmeal with chia seeds and fresh fruit for breakfast, quinoa and black bean salad for lunch, lentil soup with brown rice for dinner. Day 2, banana and peanut butter smoothie for breakfast, toast with hummus and fresh veggies for lunch, pasta with tomato sauce and mushrooms for dinner, and more delicious meals throughout the week. You can always customize this meal plan to fit your own tastes. Feel free to experiment and get creative with your favorite meals. And don't forget to share your plant-based creations with us in the comments below. If you're thinking about switching to a plant-based diet, take it slow. Start with small changes and gradually adjust. I hope this video helped you understand more about the plant-based diet and how it can improve your health. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing, healthy week ahead with lots of delicious plant-based meals.